Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you article in English grammar. Article is an interesting topic of today. To understand this article, we should go to the Sanskrit language. Now I am going to tell you about some slogans of sloks of Sanskrit. ओम एम आम तत्वम सोध्यानम स्वाहा ओम क्लीव सर्वतत्यम सोध्यानम स्वाहा मातृत्वरेषु पृथ्वेषु लोष्टवतातम पद सर्वदेषु सभ्य पश्यति श पंडिता। आपने इस लैंग्वेज में क्या देखा कि ये संगीत जैसा लगा, जैसे संगीत के 7 अक्षर होते हैं सा रे ग म प ध नि सा, और वही बार बार रिपीट होते रहता है तो संगीत का जन्म हो जाता है। तो संस्कृत के विद्वानों ने क्या किया, संस्कृत को सबसे पहले म न त को अधिक से अधिक बार रिपीट किया और संस्कृत को संगीतमय बना दिया। इसलिए संस्कृत का जब श्लोक पढ़ते हैं तो आपको म ध्यान देंगे, आपको तो म न त का रिपीटेशन अधिक मिलेगा। इन द सेम वे इंग्लिश ग्रामर में द ग्रामरियंस ऑफ इंग्लिश they wanted to make English effective, so they used article a, an and the. Now where we use a, an and the, here a is indefinite article, an is also indefinite article, and they is definite article. Before singular countable noun we use a. अगर सिंगुलर नाउन है तब हम ए का इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसके आगे, और अगर वोवेल है तब हम उसको वोवेल के रहने पर हम वहां एन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ए बॉय, एक लड़का। Here look at the corner of the board. Here B is consonant, so I have put a before this word boy. Another example, an orange, एक सेब। Here O is vowel and first letter B was consonant, so I have used a, and before O I have used N, because O is a vowel letter. Taking this example, we use a and n. There are so many words where we use a and n. You can also practice about it. Now, where we use the sphere of use of the is vast, and the topic will be very long, so I am giving only today the example of a and n more. Now look at the blackboard. A boy, एक लड़का, a girl, एक लड़की, a chair, एक कुर्सी, a book, एक पुस्तक, एक पेन, एक कलम। Look at B here. B is consonant, G is consonant, C is consonant, B is consonant, and P is consonant. So I have used A before these words. Now come to use of N. An apple. Before I have told you apple means save. I have told you orange means save. Correct it. An apple, an owl, an aeroplane, an orange, an egg. Now look at these words A, O, A, O, E. These words are vowel. So I have used N before these words. Before apple I have used N. Before owl I have used N. Before aeroplane I have used N. Before orange is santra, I have used N, and before egg I have used N. In the same way, you can find out from your book or grammar. There are so many words where we use A, and there are so many words where you use N. Okay? Now make sentences and choose this such types of words from your text and from grammar. It is your task for next day.